I would like to start off by saying thank you to all of you for the love and appreciation you have extended to my previous videos like Consciousness, Hell, and especially Bhagavad Gita, which is viewed on YouTube in English and Hindi as of today over 30 million times and progressively growing every day. So thank you very much for your help, as it was not possible without your contribution. Enlightenment is my next effort to share with you the absolute knowledge in the most simple words. The idea of creating this video came in 2009, but due to lack of time and other resources, it kept on delaying until now. And I'm sure that you will appreciate and like it the way you have liked it before. Sun has rise, Bigul has called. Pick up your arm, warrior. This life on earth is your own war to find the perfect version of self for your own salvation. But as time passed, I realized that this life is a game of snakes and ladders, where time to time we all are bitten with snakes, like bad experiences, bad relationship, unemployment, sickness, loss, death in the family, and many a times our own bad karma, which bites us, breaking our comfort zone and throwing us into deep depressions, from where some never recover and many bend down on their knees not knowing what to do. I was also bitten by some of these snakes, and one day I was also on my knees, helpless, hopeless, sobbing in a dark, isolated room. Forgive me. Please forgive me. This is not the life I asked for. Please take it if you can't change it. Late in the night, I heard a voice. What will you do in return if I forgive you? It sounded like my own voice. Or was I talking to someone? Tell me what I need to do. Whatever I share with you, when the time comes, you have to share it with others. Sure, I can do that. I hope you won't change your mind later. Why would I do that? Sharing the truth is a scary proposition. The choice had a mysterious smile in it, as was testing my commitment. I will not be scared. I promised myself that I never would forget this. After a little while I slept, but in the next few days I realized a change within myself. I was more calm, quiet, and above all observant. I was observing everything as I am seeing it for the first time in my life. I was validating my own understanding. I was able to see better, smell better. I self-realized that this life on earth is not any random act or by chance. In fact, we all are part of a very intelligent, recursive reality created by a super intelligent system, which has been running for millions of years. I was understanding what was never known before. Soon I started exploring and expressing, and was popular on social and other medias. I also understood that I am not the first one, or the only one, or even the last one to experience this awakening. It is actually the right of every spirit to know self. Awakening is a natural process and existed along with the creation of the very first self, which has the conscious to evolve and developed into a fully grown species. This continuous changing conscious not just help us in developing physically, but evolve us mentally and emotionally in 7 different thresholds of our awareness, which may start with our basic needs, but eventually take us to a higher level of understanding to know about the true purpose and meaning of our life. Human beings in their 40s and 50s are common to experience awakening in a very natural way, reaching to their higher consciousness, and after the experience, they live a better, fulfilling life with their superior choices in life. All famous world leaders, artists, inventors have experienced this evolution at some point of time in their life, and then with that self-evolution brought a revolution in this world. I was awakened and understanding the life in a newer way.